Okay, so I installed the Whisper web, and it's ML-powered speech recognition directly in your browser, so it's locally on my computer. And by coincidence, I was discussed on radio today, so I will pick up a file, a N4A file, and make sure that I have the right setting. So this was in Dutch. I'm gonna transcribe. I'm gonna use a Whisper base 291 MB file. Close it. Transcribe. Audio is loading the model now, and it's transcribing. It's so funny, because I mean it's Dutch and it's readable. It's just not it. But still, it's impressive. It's on my own computer. I also upload this file to Fireflies, and that's perfect, spot on. Not a single mistake. Here, there are some mistakes, but still on my own computer. So let's have it finished. As you can see, I get an export. And let's see what it is. See, we have a file. Interesting experiment. And I would say, see you next Friday.